Okay, here's this motor mount we're going to be using. A few extra things in here. Kinetic energy. These guys right here. They're in Arizona now? They moved?
They got a good product.
This is Arizona now. I thought they were in the common state of California. They must have moved, like everybody else.
Tired of paying all those taxes.
Like everybody else except me.
You guys gotta move your operation to Las Vegas.
Ready to go Harley and get some new bolts. No, I'm not moving to Vegas.
Come on.
Nope.
Don't be like that.
What are these rubbers for?
That's that liberal state.
What do you got, fall-down buttons here? Is that what these for?
Those are for the backswing arm. You go inside that rubber thing. It's supposed to take up a lot of the
Rubber thing.
wiggly wobbly.
A wibbly wobbly rubber thing.
The Teflon that goes inside that.
Don't know what you're talking about.
You don't? You install them.
No, I'm trying to ignore everything you say. Try to ignore everything what you say because it's not really important. This appears to be a stainless steel motor mount. Some people say these things are crap. What do you think?
I love them.
He loves them.
Anybody that's talking shit actually run them on their bikes? They know anything about it?
Maybe.
They just talk shit.
Maybe. Consider the source is trash.
Well, we all have our own opinions, but I'm running my own bike.
All right. I've had people buy them. Okay, so that takes a tube. Looks like we have a tube. Goes inside the tube. These are rebuildable because you can buy new parts. When you wear them out, buy new ones.
We'll sell you a new one.
So this is an aircraft engine mounts for aircraft. So I'm pretty sure if they fly in the aircraft, they're probably not too bad for Harleys.
It's all my, I know I said this already, but on my FXR, I kept breaking carb mounts.
Yep.
I've got a pile of them gone through. I put it on there. Problem solved.
It goes under there somewhere. All right, so we have to clean this mess up over here somebody made. Did you make a mess? Did you ride this bike and make it dirty? Hey, you're missing your motor mount right here. It's down here. Did you know your motor mount fell off? Right here, your motor mount's missing.
That's for a later bike. This is still 2004. It's in the middle.
This in the middle? It's not new?
I ain't got that kind of money.
No. Late heads, early motor. Where's your scrubbing device? You got a brush someplace. You're up to 105 over there now.
We're moving.
We're working on our ultrasonic cleaner too. Pro.
She's moving.
What is this? Is this lunch?
This is the grody one. Probably better off to pull this. We got to pull it anyways.
Just clean it. Get a little rubber. Garbage can lids work perfect for this application. See, they collect the residue. See, if you're cheap like me, I'll just take that and reuse it.
It's all gonna get done back in here.
This is the same stuff we used last year in the video?
Yes.
Did you clean it between the
This
two?
is the dirty stuff from last year. We got a cleaner. We got a dirty clean one.
And what is this nasty stuff?
This is Stoddard solvent. It is amazing stuff.
Can you spell that? You can't say it if you don't spell it.
STODDERED, I believe. Stoddard.
E-D-D-D-D-D-D-D-D-D. That's what you said?
You have some place, if you're not living in California, can you guys buy this in California?
Yes, we can still buy it in California.
Wow. After Newsom hears this, I'm sure he watches our videos. Once he hears it, he's probably, it's going to be it.
Yeah, can't use it no more.
We should have kept this.
Well, you can't use it. You can buy it, though.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Yeah. It's legal to buy. You can't use it. It's not machine in industrial environments where you would use something like this. You're not allowed to use it. Automotive field in general.
You just buy it and store it, keep it at the shop. Or
Probably
whatever,
in some aircraft
talk about it
application.
to people.
Probably some aircraft application or or sewer cleaner or something like that. It's okay, but
So if you actually want to,
Automotive industry, it might not be quite what they want you to use. They probably want you to use something to come in a Homer's all-purpose bucket. Probably
something
orange.
green, probably like
With
simple green, or you guys,
Well, with an orange citrus flavor to it. So you got an orange bucket, right?
yep.
Homer's all perfect. So that appears to be not doing a very good job because I can see all the silver in there. Is it taking the black off when you do that? We didn't get it before video, we know how bad that is. Did you change the oil recently? That means it's full of oil right there.
Anyway, I got 3,000 on it. I changed it at like 1,000 or 1,100 after the. And you scolded me because I didn't change it at 600.
I don't know why not. Are you going to clean the filthy side over here too? We might touch it by accident. These calipers are dirty too. Yeah, everything on this bike is dirty. Hey, let's not go clean the whole bike now. We're going to work on the front and motor mount area. Don't go back. Don't go back past the oil filter. Turn on an all-day project here. Theoretically, it's the last day to do this project.
Theoretically.
Theoretically.
Got a ways to go.
That might change if we don't get it done. That's how these projects go.
If you don't get it done, just keep going.
We just add more days onto it.
Tatro's been here for 3 weeks. Everybody probably wondering where he's at home.
There has been some threatening phone calls. It's a good thing I wasn't there to take them. Banging on the door. Didn't answer it.
Where are you at? I know you're in there. Answer the door.
She said there's floor mats in front of the shop. What's that? You think Pro Exotic sent me some floor mats?
Floor mats?
She said there's a bunch of floor mat rugs rolled up in front of my car.
Really?
With a shipping label on them. Think maybe send me some banners? Banners. He said he was going to hook us up.
Banners.
That's because we're going to show his product being used. Look, we're at that 111 right now. We're getting close to takeoff speed. Probably should turn that thing on to buzz here in a little bit. How's it looking?
Filthy.
Looks a lot cleaner than it was. The silver parts are becoming silver. Did you get the nuts underneath the bottom? Because we will have to be up under there digging that muck out of there to get some hardware. This exciting video here.
Yeah. It's gonna run some more viewers off.
Everyone,
We're actually losing viewers as we speak right now.
they were not
Numbers are going
happy.
down.
They were not happy with the FXR
Yeah.
videos.
The FXR wiring stuff.
They did not like all the work we did on that. They really despised all the
Super
wiring.
exciting stuff for them.
So now we're on the road turd, which they wanted to look at. So now we're going to see how the road turd cleaning videos go. Make sure you leave our comments about our
I'm
cleaning
guessing this is
videos.
even more boring than wiring stuff.
I think it's more boring than wiring myself too. But they always want to know how you clean stuff. So here's how you do it. It's called Get Dirty and Clean It. And it helps to have something that works decent. Now if you don't have this kind of stuff, then you got to use that water-soluble citrus, organic eating
Get yourself some
mites or
simple green.
simple green or some other cosmic stuff that makes oil go away. That sound important? Did I sound like New Zealand?
Yeah.
Cosmic radar. Not radiation, that'd be illegal, but radar. Cosmic radar, light energy. Coming from the sky. The sky people. That's how you do it. I think those guys have been smoking something. What do you think?
Over in California? I'll guarantee it.
San Francisco, yeah. Sacramento.
Smoking a few things over there in
Smoke a lot.
San Francisco. Holes.
Do a lot.
You
You
know,
got a toothbrush. All you gotta do is clean your teeth now. Take your toothbrush.
brushy.
That's your toothbrush.
La-di-da-da.
All right, well, here's how you do it. So now you know how we clean
Now
it.
you know the secrets.
So get dirty and just do it.
Open yourself a motorcycle shop and start cleaning.
That's right. That's what you do. Clean, clean, clean. All right, we'll be back.
Cleanliness next to God.